Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are changing the Lenovo idealpad 330 S. We're trying to change the keyboards. We've got a new keyboard there. And as with basically everything comes out straightforward and everything is easy, with an exception of one screw which is holding the keyboard and is hidden. Right, the hidden key that stopped us from taking the keyboard out was this one here. So if you do struggle to take out the keyboard, remember to peel this one off, and underneath you should find a screw. Obviously, this computer is under warranty, so it's fine to break it. So this is a screw. Lenovo had hidden it. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Once again, this was about taking the motherboard out, and one screw was hidden and could not be seen. We found that there was a sticker called Lenovo just here. After removing the sticker, the screw was visible, and the keyboard can now be removed.